Welcome to Micro Center Shows You How. My name is Dave. I'm a technical support associate at a local Micro Center store. It's our job to answer your computer questions, whether they are simple or more complex. This is the final video in my 6-part series designed to help newer and more inexperienced PC users gain basic skills. One that is easily in the top 10 most desired by folks that we see in technical support at Micro Center is the skill to effectively search for and find information in the vast gold mine of the Internet. We find that many people don't know how to begin a search. Well, it doesn't require the native instincts of a bloodhound to find what you want. And while searching the web is a little like detective work, it doesn't take a genius sleuth to find what you want either. It simply takes understanding a few rules. Mostly, it takes a little knowledge about how to use the search engines available on the web. We'll also talk a little bit about where to search on the Internet. What's a search engine? Perhaps the best way to describe a search engine is to say that it is a website designed to help you find other websites that have the particular information you need. Most everyone has heard of the famous Google search engine. It's not the only search engine out there, far from it. But Google has almost become synonymous with Internet searching. To get to a search engine, you simply have to use your web browser to go to that website. The meat and potatoes of a search engine is the search box, or field. For example, here's another good search engine, the Yahoo search page. As with all search sites, you search by typing what you're hunting for inside the search box and clicking the search button. But now, let's shift gears and talk a little bit about what to put in those search boxes. First of all, avoid typing out a whole question. It's a waste of your time and forces the search engine to look for all your words, including the unimportant ones, perhaps producing unwanted results. Instead, use an economy of words, only the ones that are critical to your search, like this search for the weather forecast in Cleveland, Ohio. You can also leave out capital letters and punctuation because the search engines will ignore those. A second tip for searching is learning how to limit the search results. You can tell the search engine what not to search for. For example, if you want to find results for finding a city named Cleveland that is not in Ohio, simply type a minus sign along with OH or Ohio. This kind of search brings up results for the cities of Cleveland, Tennessee, Cleveland, Wisconsin, Cleveland, Georgia, and Cleveland, Utah, all near the top. As a third tip, you can refine searches by putting exact wording in quotations. For example, if you wanted to look for the text of a famous speech by Martin Luther King Jr. and typed in the words, "I was a drum major," nearly all of your search results would be about drum majors in general, and not about Dr. King's speech in particular. However, if you put the same words in quotations, as I've done here, the search engine will look for that complete string of words and find it. As I stated earlier, there are many search engines out there, more than Google and Yahoo. Try others if you don't find what you're looking for, because each search engine searches a different database of websites. Lycos is another well-established and mature search engine you might try. Bleco is an interesting site that utilizes the slash key in the search box to eliminate a lot of the commercialism that has crept into web searches and their results. If you are willing to pay a premium price, LexisNexis, typically used by professional firms and universities, will allow searches of technical writings, journals, and newspaper articles. For a gold mine of data, check out data.gov, which is a relatively new site. Finally, if you don't know what search engine to use, take a look at thesearchenginelist.com. There are so many search engines, and it was inevitable that someone created a search engine to help us search for the right search engine. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching Micro Center Shows You How.